Good afternoon to all respected sir and my dear old friends. Today, I, Cadet Senzin Namka, roll number 7956, class 7, section C, is going to recite a small topic about the plastic should be banned. Plastic bags are a major cause of environmental pollution. Plastic is a substance is non-biodegradable and thus plastic bags remain in the environment for hundreds of years, polluting it immensely. It has become very essential for a ban plastic bags before they ruin our planet completely. Many countries around the globe have either put a ban on the plastic bag or levy a tax on it. However, the problem hasn't been solved completely because the implementation of this measure hasn't been as successful. Non-biodegradable. Plastic bags are non-biodegradable. This disposing of the plastic is the biggest challenge. Deterioration of environment. They are destroying our nature due to their harmful effect. Plastic bags have become the main cause of the land pollution today. The plastic bags entering into the water bodies are the major cause of water pollution. Hence, we can conclude that these are deteriorating our environment in very possible way. Harmful animal and marine creatures. Animal and marine creatures unknowingly consume plastic particles along with their food. Research shows that the waste plastic have been a major reason for unlimitedly animal deaths. Causes of illness in humans. The production of plastic releases the chemical. These are the main cause of the cerebral illness. The polluted environment is a major reason for the various diseases which are the spreading easily in the human beings. Clogged sewage. Waste plastic bags are the main reason for the trapping drains and sewers, especially during rains, can result in the flood-like situation, dispute the normal life of the people. Reason ban plastic bags. There are numerous reasons why the government of various countries has come with strict measure of the limit of the plastic bags. Some of these include water plastic bags are the polluting the land and water immensely. The plastic bag have the become a threat to the life of the animal living on the earth as well as in the water. Chemical released by the waste plastic bags enter the soil and make it infertile. Plastic bags are having a negative impact on the human death. Thank you so much.